Hello everyone, I am Dr. Simarpreet Singh. In this video, I will be demonstrating how we can proceed with the installation of Oracle VirtualBox. To install the Oracle VirtualBox, we navigate to any web browser and we open www.google.com. The Google search engine will appear in front of us. In the search bar, we write the Oracle VirtualBox and press enter. On pressing enter, the search results to the website virtualbox.org mentioning Oracle VirtualBox. Click on this or you can open this website directly by the web browser, that is www.virtualbox.org. So this is how the home page of VirtualBox. In the center of the home page, you are able to see a blue colored icon stating download VirtualBox 6.1. So when you click on this button, it navigates to further page with the URL www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. On this download page, you are able to see VirtualBox with the latest addition along with the platform packages. So different platform packages are available. The Windows host is there, OS X host for Mac machines, Linux distributions, Solaris distributions packages are available. Since I am having Windows operating system in my host computer, so I will be selecting Windows host. You can select the platform packages according to your host operating system. So on pressing Windows host, I am able to see a downloads get started, and this download is almost in MBs. So let's wait for a couple of minutes to download, for the download to get completed. I am pausing the video and I will be resuming back once this download gets completed. Okay, now the download has been completed, and if I explore the downloads folder, I am able to see this particular file in my downloaded folder. So this is the exe file, which is the installer file. If we check out the properties, it is the exe file, the installer file of Oracle VirtualBox. To install the Oracle VirtualBox, I need to simply double click this file and press yes. The installation process for Oracle VM VirtualBox gets started. Then I need to click on next. Then again I need to click it shows me the default location, that is C drive, program files, Oracle, and then the Oracle VirtualBox. I am going with the default location, so I am clicking on next. Then it is depicting me certain entries, that it will be making the entries in the start menu. It will be creating a shortcut on the desktop. It will be creating a shortcut in the quick launch bar, and as well as it will be editing or adding some of the registry file associations as well. So I am accepting all these and I am clicking on next. So it is giving me warning that it will be installing the network interfaces as well, and it will be resetting my network connections. So proceed with the installation. I click on yes and then click install to begin installation. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, then I can go with use this back button to go back and edit or review that particular installation settings. So as of now, I am proceeding ahead. So for proceeding ahead, I need to click on this install button. On pressing install button, the installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox gets started, And as you are able to see, the certain entries are being done in the registry, and the status bar is showing some progress. And after a couple of seconds, I am able to see this window that the installation is complete, and it is showing me a default icon selected that start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. So I keep it enabled itself, and then I click on finish, and you are able to see the same shortcut also appeared. This is the installer file, the exe file, and this is the installed Oracle VM VirtualBox having a shortcut icon, and you are able to see this icon appeared, and here it is having some window login or window logo, means this is the installer file and this is the shortcut. You can double click on this folder, this icon as well, to run this Oracle VM VirtualBox. So it is prompting me that it is having the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack installed. I have already installed this pack on my system. If you want to install the latest one, then you can click on download, else you can click on cancel. Generally, it do not prompt, but if you have already installed the extension pack, then definitely it will be prompting you if you are using some old version of the extension pack. If you want to install the extension pack, you can navigate back to the same website where you have downloaded and selected the platform package for your operating system. And if you scroll below this platform packages, you are able to locate the VirtualBox 6.1.32, that is the version, then the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack, all supported platforms. So click on this all supported platforms, and you will be able to download the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. As you are able to see in this video, the extension pack, I clicked on this all supported platforms, and the extension pack uh, got started downloading. It's just in few MBs, lesser the size than the actual setup of Oracle VM VirtualBox. So when you click on finish after the installation package, this is the window which got appeared. You can close this window and you can use this icon or to run the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So this is the window which got appeared after the successful installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So that's it for this part. We have successfully installed Oracle VM VirtualBox in our system. Thank you everyone.